Hello dear students, this is Kamal Kishore Kohli from Saraswati Vidyapeeth Residential School, Shivpuri. Today I am here to explain you how to calculate and how to find out the age of any person. If the date of birth has been given and today's date is also given, sometimes we find or we can say sometimes we need to calculate the age limit of person or total age of person, how many months and days and years old, because sometimes there we find some necessity of to fill in the documents or in any form when we are going to apply for the post of any thing. Okay, so we need to calculate the age limit or age of any person. So how can we find out the age of any person? Okay, so today you can understand today, because many of the persons you can see, a lot of the teachers also don't know how to calculate the age of person. Even they are very talented, they don't know how to calculate and how to find out the age of person. Okay, so I am going to explain you how to calculate. Okay, it will be so easy and so very simple. You can learn today how to find out the age of person. Suppose there is Ram. Okay, Ram and whose date of birth is given 25 June 2005. Okay, and what will be the age of Ram today means how many days and how many months and years he will be old. Okay, so you can calculate. Okay, so first of all you can put today's date. Okay, today's date means today is 17 August means 8. This means days, these are days. Okay, days. And months you can put here 8 months. Okay, you can share solution. Months and years. So year means 2020. This is the present age. Okay, and find out the total age means period of the person. And so we can write here the date of birth of any person whose you are going to calculate the age of person. Okay, so you can put this date of birth means 25. Okay, and June means January, February, March, April, May, and June means 6th month. You can put here 6th month. And 2005 you can put here. Okay, and we can subtract this number from upper number. Okay, we can minus the date of birth from present date. Okay, we can minus it. Okay, so this is the very interesting solution. You can say 25 minus 5 is equal to 15. These are years. And 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. What? 17 minus 25 is not possible to subtract 25 from 17. It cannot be possible to subtract. Okay, so what will be done? We can take 1 month from this one. Means there are total month means is equal to 8 months. One month should be deducted. Okay, so here will be 7 months, and this 1 month means is equal to 30 days. So we can add here 30 days. 30 days means because these are days. So we will have to convert a month into days. So this 1 month will be here, means 30 days, and here will be 7. So we can put here 7 months. Okay, so here will be 37 means 30 plus 70 means 47. What will be the number? Is equal to 47. Okay, and we can divide, we can subtract this 25 number from 47. Okay, so 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. It means Ram will be old 20 days and 1 month and 15 years old. So this is the very interesting method to all the students who are waiting to learn about how to find and calculate the age of any person. Okay, next example also you can take. With the help of next example you can understand very easily. Okay, wait for some time. Very interesting examples. Today you will learn surely and 101% how to calculate the age of any person. Well, now come to it. Suppose Shyam's date of birth is given 30 July and 2020 or 2010 you can see that, or 2001 you can put here. Okay, and next what will be age of Shyam today? In present, what will be the age of Shyam? Means in days and month and years. Okay, so you can solve it very easily. I told you in my previous question, you can put here present age means today's date. Okay, you can put here today's date. What will be the age? You can put here days, second months, and years, or you can say session. Well, you can say today's date you can put here 17 August means 08 and year 2020. Okay. Okay, well, now let us we can put here date of birth of Shyam. Okay, so it will be so very easy to all the students. Try to understand what is the fact. Okay, beyond the reason. So you can put here today's date has been written here. Date of birth you can write here 30 July means month 7. You can put here, and here you can put 2001. So we can deduct this number from present date. Okay, so we can deduct from this one 20 minus 1 is equal to 19 years. Okay, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. What you cannot deduct 30 from 17. This is the main problem before the students. Okay, in this case you can deduct 1 month from here. Okay, in this month, so you can deduct 1 month from here, and if 1 month means is equal to 30 days, so you can take these 30 days here and you can put here 30 days. Okay, so here will be 7. Okay, and here will be 0 also, and 17 plus 30 is equal to 47. 47. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. 4 minus 3 is equal to 7. It means the age of Shyam will be 17 days, and 0 month, no month means, and 19 days, 19 years. Okay, so this is days, and month nil, and years. So it means we can say that Shyam is 17 days and 19 years old today. Thus you can find out and calculate the age of any person. Next example you can understand very easily. Suppose means 17 today's date is given here, and 08 and 2020. This is today's date. Okay. Now if you find here the bigger number, here also bigger number, here will be smaller number. Okay, it cannot be so. So you can put here the date of birth of any person. You can put here 2020, or you can say other word 2002. Okay, the date of birth of person 2002, and the month is 12 December, and here also 20 means the date of birth is Shyam. Suppose next Shyam Chandra Ghanshyam, any other name of person. 20 December 2002 is date of birth of a person. How can you calculate? Because you cannot deduct the 12 from 8. So you can, because this is smaller number than 12, so you can find out another number also. So you can take 1 year from this one. 1 year from this one. Okay. So 1 year you can deduct from this one. 1 year means you have the need of months. So 1 year means is equal to 12 months. So we can 12 months. We can take here, and 12 months we will add here. How many months will be here? 12 and 8 is equal to 20 months. You can put here. Okay. So we can deduct here. It will be here 19. What will be 2019? And what will be the minus of this number? Means 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, and 1 means 17 years. Okay. Well, next you can, and 20 cannot be deducted from 17. So what will be done? Means there are 20 months. So we will deduct 1 month from here. 1 month is equal to 30 days, and 30 days will be added here. Okay. So here will be 19 months. So we can put here 19 months. Is equal to here you can say 19 months. Okay. Here. So we can minus these numbers. 19 minus 12 is equal to 7. Okay. Next 30 plus 1 7 means 17 is equal to 47. 47. And you can deduct easily this number from 47. So you can find 7 and 2. It means Ghanshyam will be old, or 27 and 7 months and 17 years old today. Well, so I hope that your curiosity will be so me can say at 0. Okay, and you will have been satisfied. I hope that thing. Your curiosity will be destroyed today, and you will be so expert and how to calculate the age of any person you can do very easily. This is the very simple methods through which you can calculate the age of any person. Okay, you can practice this one. Otherwise, if you don't practice, you will lose and you will forget this the formula of how to calculate the age of any person. Okay, so thank you very much to watch this video.